Okay, so everyone's been asking multiple times for a Moto family photo of the stuff that's in the warehouse and the house and, the full stable of bikes. So I'm digging out the warehouse today to do some cleanup. It's long overdue, and I'm trying to get as much of it done before noon when it gets really hot. But yeah, this is just the front half of what was in the warehouse. Got the Trail 125, the CB 500X, the PCX 150, XT 250, Navi, Silverwing 600, the little C3 50cc scooter, and then a Triumph here that's going to be a track bike one of these days. And then I still have like 5 more to dig out from the back of the warehouse over there. So, oh, fun, fun, fun. It's time to thin the herd this year, I think. A couple of these are down. They're not running. That one's gummed up fuel. That one's bad starter solenoid. That one's got a bad rectifier. So it's time to clean them up and thin the herd.